Good afternoon. This is CK, Switch Product Line Manager. Today I'm going to introduce Edgecore Network Ethernet Switch solution. Edgecore Switch is focused in two markets. One is the MSO and ISP, the other one is the enterprise. So we have two solutions. Okay. So another solution is for the enterprise solution. So from here, you can see we have a fast Ethernet layer 2, gigabit layer 2, gigabit layer 2 plus with 10 gig uplink, and gigabit layer 2 stackable with 10 gig uplink, layer 3 stackable with 10 gig uplink, and 10 gig switches, layer 3 switches. So we have a complete set of the switches, including PoE and non-PoE. From here, you can see like this one. The 12P means the PoE switch, 8-port PoE, okay? T means the non-PoE. So for the enterprise switch, we support this advanced function. We call it the hardware stacking. So you can stack up to 4 units of a switch with single IP management, okay? When you stack up to 4 units, means that you can increase your port number up to 192. And our stacking function is very simple. You can stack via the 10 gig SFP plus port. So you can use a very cost-effective DAC cable or AOC cable, okay, for a short distance. But for long distance, you can choose to use the 10 gig transceiver with fiber cable, okay. And with hardware stacking, it's like you manage the switch stack as a single entity. You don't need to log into individual switch for configuration. So this is more easy for you to manage the switch. And here, for the stacking, we provide the redundant ring. Here you can see there's the ring topology here. So if one of the link failure, the switch can still talk to each other. Okay, and in a hardware stack, we have a master unit, and the other will be slave unit. If the master unit fail, so we have a backup master function. So the slave can take over the master role, and make sure that the switch stack still operate normally. And here we also have a very important function called cross-stack trunking. So you can have a trunk port located in different switches. So if one of the switch fail, so you still can have an uplink connectivity. Okay. And also we support the cross-stack mirroring. So you can put a switch in any of the switch, connect to a port in any of the switch, and then you can monitor other switch traffic. And here I show you all the typical access switch application, gigabit access switch and aggregation switch application. So we provide different switches without PoE, which connect to the PC or laptop with different port, like 28 port, 52 port, and 12 port. Okay. And we also provide the gigabit switch with PoE function. So they can connect to the IP cam, they can connect to IP phone, they can connect to the AP. So the IP cam, AP, and IP phone don't need to connect to a power supply. They can get the power from the switch and also access the network with the same cable. And beside the access switch, the gigabit access switch with gigabit uplink, then you can use our gigabit layer 3 switch. So we have the layer 3 switch. 46 means gigabit layer 3 switch, 24 port, 28 port, 52 port. And we also have a model with fiber. Okay. So this is a typical application. With these switches, you can deploy the switches as an access switch for the small to medium sized network, branch office of the enterprise, and also the campus work group. And for some enterprise network who need more bandwidth, okay, so they can use our switch with the 10 gig uplink, gigabit switch with 10 gig uplink. Okay, so here we have a gigabit switch with 10 gig uplink. This is without PoE. This is PoE. And for aggregation, you can use our 10 gig switch, layer 3 10 gig switch for aggregation, and also for routing. Okay, so this is also a very typical application. Or can use our switch for the SME and also enterprise and also campus. So in summary, Edgecore provide high quality product because our switch is from Acton, who is the professional ODM company who provide the first tier customer in the world with the hardware. Okay, and the other one is since we have our own software R&D, so we can provide flexible software customization and service and support. Okay, as you know, for different market, maybe you have a different demand, so sometimes you need customization to meet the customer requirement. With our in-house R&D, we can flexible response to the customer environment and help our partner to win the business and also win the business. Okay. The third advantage of the Edgecore is that we provide the best cost performance product. So for cost wise, our product is very competitive. Okay. And the last one, since Edgecore and Acton has been in this field, Ethernet switch, for more than 25 years, so we have a long-term commitment. Okay, so we have a very good reputation in this networking field, and we insist to invest in the networking technology and to provide the best product to our customer. So this is a brief introduction what kind of switch solution Edgecore can provide. And thank you for your attention.